Well, g'day, Jeff Lewis here from Seriously Series, and today we're doing another camp cooking video, but I've got Jamie here, the Australian bushman. Now, we're travelling through outback Western Australia, aren't we, Jamie?
We are indeed.
We are. And we've been talking a lot about cooking on the campfire.
Yep.
And we had this moment, I guess we could say, talking about cooking corn in the ash of the fire, but also eggs.
Yep.
And Jamie's one of the few people that I've ever spoken to who actually knows how to do it this way. So how are we going to do it today, Jamie?
Well, before we go to that, it was quite funny. We were in the shops and we were buying. I got the corn for cooking up around in the fire, sort of thing, or around the fire. And anyway, then I see Jeff take it back and swap it. I said, "What are you doing, Jeff?" Because me not knowing that Jeff actually puts his corn on the cob straight into the coals. I don't meet people that do that.
It's not a common thing that's done these days, is it?
Absolutely not.
But such a great way to cook it. No dirty dishes. We don't want that, do we?
No,
dirty
no.
dishes.
Keep it simple, stupid.
That's right.
It's
that's
the basics, you know, and it's the same with cooking an egg. You know, you keep it simple, stupid. All you're going to do is put it in some hot coals. Now, have you got a recommended time that you like them in the coals?
Look, I think a good rule of thumb is about 10 minutes.
Yep.
10 minutes, I find. To gauge the temperature, we've all got our own temperature gauge, the palm of our hand. And if we're getting exact, which nothing's too exact with camp cooking, I think we can say, about 10 centimetres, about yay much, off the actual ash itself. We put our palm over, and if we get a little bit of a tingling sensation, I find that's around about 180 degrees, give or take a few.
All right, well, I didn't know that one. So
okay,
that's pretty cool.
There you go.
I mean, a good one I used to use, because I use a camp oven a lot, is I'd put a piece of inside it, and it would go brown, and you could sort of get your temperature by how brown it went in the camp oven.
Now, is that a Jack Absalom trick there, Jamie?
Oh, I couldn't tell you.
I did read about that in one of his
really?
books. Yeah. But and if it's black, it's way too hot.
Yeah, exactly. You can get that happy medium.
You can
pretty quick and easy.
Because I think light brown is about 180.
Yeah.
And then dark brown's about 200, a bit over.
220. Yeah.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah. Anyway, would you like to choose your egg for the demonstration?
I'm actually going to put 2 in.
Good on you.
Yeah.
It is a big day today. I might do the same. Do the same. So Jamie has been sweating over a campfire getting this ready this morning. And because we're in outback WA, a lot of the wood is very ashy here.
Yeah.
And so it's perfect for baking. A lot of wood, particularly in south of WA, Tasmania, New South Wales, you get some really nice big embers or coals. So you do have to wait a lot longer to actually get ash to actually bake properly in the fire. We don't want to use coals because the intense is too great. With the ash, it's obviously very fine. There's a bigger surface area, so it's better for baking. And we can use the same method for doing corn as Jamie talked about, but also for doing damper too. And that's actually a really fun thing to do, isn't it?
Absolutely.
You can just tear off a piece, make it in almost like a bit of flatbread, and just put it straight in the ash. And I've done that on our channel before and called them Johnny cakes. That's what I've read about them as.
Yeah.
How's the ash looking?
That's
there,
ready for you right there. And I'll just put that little layer over it.
Just that one there?
Yep, that's just a beautiful, beautiful thing.
Oh, it is.
Look at that.
No thermo mix required.
No.
Just a stick, a good stick.
And it was quite funny, you know, we're having a bit of a chat yesterday about the egg side of things. And then I was telling him about, what's that fryer called? The fryer that you put it in for 7 minutes?
Oh, the air fryer.
Air fryer.
Yeah.
Air fryer.
Didn't know that one.
Yeah.
You can put an egg in an air fryer.
Egg in an air fryer, 7 minutes, and you've got boiled eggs.
It's a brave new world. It's a brave new
world.
world.
You've got to have a go at these things, don't you?
You do. Well, and this is the thing that we've spoken about too on this.
Oh, yeah, another one.
Oh, I'm being adventurous too, Jamie.
Crikey.
Yeah, croquet stew.
How's that? How are we working out our time?
Oh yeah, yeah. Thanks,
are we looking
Gabe.
at the sun?
Okay. Yep. I've checked the time.
Yeah.
Yep.
Cool.
Yep. I'm not quite as good as Crocodile Dundee, where he can look up and say 2:35.
Exactly. Yeah. You just get that angle.
Yeah. So about 10 minutes from now.
It's a beautiful thing.
But what we might do, instead of keeping you for 10 minutes, we'll give you opportunity to go off and top up that cup of tea or coffee, or maybe something slightly stronger, and we'll join you in 10 minutes' time when the eggs are ready.
Sounds like a plan.
So, it's been about 10 minutes, but as you always know, when you're out bush with a good mate, 10 minutes can sometimes be a little bit more. I think it may have been. We've had a few good stories in the mix, so they're definitely well baked. But do you want to do the honours, Jamie?
Sure.
And I'll bring the camera in a little bit closer, and we can see if we've actually got a well baked or boiled egg.
Sounds like a plan. Oh, look at this. I was never very good with chopsticks. I reckon they're done. It's a bit warm, a bit soft. Oh, look at that. Is that a beautiful thing or what? Oh, that's going to be beautiful on some toast. That is going to be, oh, look at that. Oh.
Master Chef, eat your heart out, hey?
Look at that, that's just divine. Absolutely divine. How good is that? It doesn't get any better. Crusty toast, nice and crisp. Egg, perfect. Absolutely perfect.
Right, let's see if it is all that it's cracked up to be.
Oh, it is.
That's good. That's really good.
Yeah, but the toast is perfect.
See, that's a good point, Jamie, but toast is harder to do than an egg.
Yeah.
Yep. It's like sausages on the barbecue. Particularly blokes are bad at doing it. You turn away and you start talking. 2 or 3 stories later, there's no sausages left. They're all burnt. So no, it's wonderful. We have done a great job here, Jamie.
Perfect. Spot on.
So there you go, guys and girls. Next time you're out bush, slice of bread, couple flying dates, and an egg in the fire. Give it a go. And look, you can't stuff it up because you can never have a hard-boiled egg that's too hard.
This is true. Except for when we're cooking up eggs, because when I was with the ladies up in Arnhem Land, they love boiled eggs.
Yeah, right.
But when they're rock hard, like this one's a bit harder, they go, you overcooked the eggs again. So, all right, we'll go a bit shorter next time.
Oh well, at least they're cooked. But anyway, thanks for stopping by. Hopefully you found this of interest, and we better finish our brekkie up here today and head on a little bit further on down the track.
That sounds good.
No worries. Catch you on the next one. See you then.
See you guys.